Not this, but this is the never-before-seen 1998 Hess Mini Tanker, but in chrome, or sometimes called silver, just not your standard white as seen in the background. This truck can be found in all its glory on page 116 of the 2019 Hess Truck Encyclopedia. It utilizes a standard black base. This model is a miniaturized version of the full-sized 1990 Hess toy tanker truck, but in chrome. Let's do some side-by-side comparisons. If you're asking yourself how much is this truck worth, we'll give you the usual hint. It ends with thousands. The story holds that after the Hess truck production process, chrome or silver versions of their toy trucks are produced for certain executives and or special clients. Of course, never being sold to the public, and are extremely rare and, goes without saying, very valuable. If this sort of thing tickles your fancy for Hess truck eye candy, then you may enjoy the 2019 Hess Truck Encyclopedia. Please visit www.hesstoytruckbooks.com for more information. Thanks for watching. Give a like, subscribe, which is the best way to let us know your appreciation for content like this. And be on the lookout for more amazing videos with super rare trucks such as this one. And don't forget, Hess Truck fans, the 2019 Hess Truck went on sale November 1st directly from Hess. No affiliation.